aspirants, welcome to the Point. So I'll be showing you a demo on how to register into 2THEPOINT app. So this is our app, 2THEPOINT. I have already installed it. Now I'm going to register on it. Once you finished installing, you can see this introduction screen. After the introduction screen, you'll get a sign up page. This is your sign up page. Give your username. So I am giving my username. Your first name and your last name. Enter your email address and your mobile number. And now sign up. You will get an OTP for the registered mobile number. Enter the OTP manually. After entering the OTP, you will be directed to a home screen. Here you have to choose the exam in which you are interested. So I am interested in UPSC exam. I'll click on it and then save it. So this is our home screen. So in the next video, I'll be showing you on how to attempt a free test series, practice series from this 2THEPOINT app. Thank you guys.